Huh? Okay, for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to balance a redox reaction from an acidic solution to a basic solution. So let's start with our example. So our example would be MnO4 negative plus Cn negative, then MnO2 plus Cn O negative. This will be our example. Now, for step one, we gotta separate the equation into two half reactions. So for this, we're gonna grab MnO4 negative, then we're gonna grab Mn squared, and on the bottom we're gonna separate Cn negative and then Cn O negative. Now for step two, we gotta balance all the atoms so that nonetheless H and O, so it will be step 2, so gonna copy the same as we had, MnO4H, then MnO2, and then since we have two O's, following the rules, we gotta add two H2O's, so it will be 2 because of this to balance, H squared because of the rule. Just so you don't forget. Now we'll do the same for the other one. Cn H2O because of the negative, and then Cn O negative. Now what we've got to do for step 3 is balance the H by adding the H pluses. So step 3 will be MnO4 negative, and then MnO squared plus the one we already had, 2H2O, then Cn negative plus the H2 we already had, and then Cn O negative, and then because of this we gotta add the plus 2H plus. Alright, so let me now separate this so that you can differentiate the steps and not get confused. So now we're going to step 4, and for step 4 we gotta balance the charges by adding the electrons to have like the same sides, which are positive. So we gotta do it right again. MnO4 negative plus 4H negative because of this. Then we gotta, since this is a negative and here we have, so for in here, here's you gotta can multiply this for the electron, so you have 4 and then minus 1, so it will be 3 E. Then you just copy the other one as well. And copy the same one as the above, so for step 3. until you get here. So in here, for the electrons, we see that we have 1. So it will be 2. So it will be 2 negative E because of this one. And then for step 5, you gotta multiply each of the rows of its opposite number. So that in this case, the lowest, let's say multiple is like 6, because in here we have 3 and this one we have 2, so we gotta multiply here 2 and this one 3. So we're gonna do that. So you just copy the same one as you had before. Plus 3e, and then O squared plus 2h, then you gotta multiply, because in here it's 3, you gotta multiply by the one you used at the bottom. So in here it will be 2, and in here it'll be 3. Oh, for this one I made a mistake, guys. The h should be positive. So now let's do step 6. So in order to make this easy for you guys, I'm just gonna copy the formula once again. Plus, don't forget plus, that was my bad. And then mn O squared plus 2h squared, close parentheses. Now for the other one, the same, plus H2O CnO plus 2h squared and then the 3. So now you can cancel now this, and then they will get to be 2m and O4. You just multiply for each one. 2m and this looks like 4 -4 negative plus 3cm plus 2h plus then 2m and O2 plus 3cn O negative, and then plus H2O. So the formula right now, guys, is as if it was as the beginning. So you got, for the example, it was MnO4 negative plus Cn minus, then MnO2 plus CnO negative. So now you gotta rewrite it at the same as we did, as it was in the first place. So guys, we have now the equation balanced and in an acidic solution. So we're gonna put that this is the acidic solution, right? So we gotta separate. Now for step 7, well, now we gotta balance the equations. We gotta add like the multiples for the equation. So if we got for for example, H2O, we gotta add the H or plus OH negative. So I'm gonna cap it again, and it will be 2MnO4 plus 3Cn plus 2H plus 2MnO squared plus 3CnO negative plus H2O. So in order to cancel the equations in the redox equation, we gotta cancel the like terms. So in here we have 2H plus. So what we can do is, since it's 2, we can use 2H squared. And then for this one, we have H2O. So what we can do is plus 2OH, following our rules we've been using. So this one, the like terms will cancel out. Then for this ones as well. So now what we are left with is this 2MnO4, because it's not affected, plus 3Cn, and then what we have left, H2O, then following the same track, 2MnO2 plus 3CnO negative plus 2OH negative. Now, this is how you balance an acidic equation to a basic equation. So this is the basic equation, and you're done. So thank you for watching this video. Hope this will clear some doubts you have, and always be sure to leave your like.